after your knee surgery, one safe thing for the bathroom, because we want you to be very successful and have a good bathroom set up. We don't want any falls in the bathroom. So having a raised toilet seat or a commode over your toilet is an option. That will just make your seat higher and you don't have to bend your knee as much to go down and sit on the toilet. So an example of a commode over the toilet. And you always want to take your walker with you. Don't leave your walker outside of the bathroom. You always want to take it into the bathroom with you. And turn. And then once you feel the toilet behind your knees, you can slide your foot forward and then reach back and slowly have a seat. You never want to use a towel rod. A lot of people have towel rods across from the toilet. Don't ever use that to pull up on. They're not sturdy, so you always want to have a grab bar. Even the sink is not the best idea to push up on, because repeatedly pushing up on that could cause some long-term damage. So having handles right around your toilet is the best option for success and safety. So when it's time to get up, you just reverse the process, slide your foot forward, and then always have one hand pushing up from where you're standing from. So you can have one hand on the walker, one hand on the commode, and push up. Once you're standing with your walker from the toilet, make sure you keep your walker in front of you as you go to the sink to wash your hands. You don't need to leave it to the side. You always want it in front of you. You can step up a little bit in it, but then you can wash your hands, keep one hand on if you need to for balance, and then switch. You could even kind of use the sink for a little bit of balance if needed at that time. And then once you're done washing and drying your hands, again, keep the walker with you as you step out and turn to exit the bathroom. After a knee replacement, it can be kind of tricky to get in and out of your shower or bathtub. If you have a shower, the safest thing is to get a shower chair so that you can sit down once you're in the shower. If you have a tub, it can be pretty tricky to step over the edge of the tub. So there's a transfer tub bench that we're gonna demonstrate now. So again, bring your walker into the bathroom. And the tub bench sits mostly in the tub, but then it does have the two legs that sit out over the tub. So that allows to just kind of back up to the bench, reach back with one hand, and have a seat outside the tub. So my legs are still outside the tub. And you kind of scoot back a little bit, and then bring your legs up over the tub. If you need to help the affected leg to bend that knee a little better, and then lift your other leg up and scoot over. And then after you're done with your shower, you're just gonna repeat the process. You're gonna scoot over towards the end, lift each leg up one at a time. Again, you can help your surgical leg if needed. And then you're now out of the bathtub, and that has prevented any standing up while the tub is wet. Also preventing trying to get your legs up over the tub while you're wet and maybe tired from having a shower. So get your walker back in front of you, and then push and stand up.